Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to change the Telegram chat wallpaper, so make sure you watch this video very carefully. Let's get started. You can see I have opened Telegram. Open any chat for which you want to change the wallpaper. You can see I have opened the Telegram chat. Now, click on the three dots icon on the top right corner, click Change Wallpaper, and you can see the different themes available. If you click here, you can also see how the wallpaper will look in dark mode. Let us switch back to light mode. Select any theme, and you can see our chat wallpaper has changed. You can click on all wallpapers to find the one you like. After selecting one, click Apply Theme, and you can see our wallpaper has changed. If you go back and open any other chat, you will see that this does not affect other chats, which means you can have different wallpapers for every different chat. If you want to change the wallpaper in dark mode, you can do that too by following the same steps. And if you want to reset the wallpaper to original, follow the same steps again. Select No Theme and click Reset Theme. If you want to know about an amazing AI tool that allows you to generate captions for videos in one click, then check this video right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching. I will see you in a new video.